Making any permanent changes to your Chevy Silverado, like drilling holes, is an uncomfortable thought to say the least. Drilling lowers the resale value, the holes can leak, it's an overall hassle to deal with, it's a violation of any lease agreement, not to mention the cost of time investment. So if you want to install additional lights to your truck, you might as well go with magnets, right? Until you realize that aluminum is not magnetic at all. With aluminum as the growing trend, odds are you will run into this issue. Fortunately, there's always a solution to any of today's problems. You can avoid all these issues with the simple addition of a Larson Electronics magnetic mounting plate. These aren't your run-of-the-mill magnetic mounting plates either. At a size of 50-inch by 12-inch, the plates are made for large-scale lights such as area lighting utility bars, full-sized light bars, takedown lights, and traffic sticks. These mounts feature aluminum brackets and steel top plates that are simple and easy to attach or remove from your truck. These mounts are in stock and ready to ship. Check out our selection at Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.